Hello everyone, I am Adrija Bandhopadhyay from IEM Labs. Today I am going to tell you about this concept of set using Python. So let's see our agenda for this topic. What is set, different operations of set and implementation in Python. Now what is set? Sets are represented as a collection of well-defined objects or elements, and it doesn't change from person to person. A set is represented by a capital letter. When we want to write set in notes and in a notebook, then we have to write it in capital letter. The number of elements is the finite set is known as cardinal number of a set. Now let's see one example in Python. Let's take one variable named set1. Just wait for a bit. So here is our result, our set containing the value 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. So the cardinality of this set is 5. Now here are some properties of set. Let's do this in this program only. So we can see set can contain different kinds of elements. So here I have given 3 2's, but it only given a 1 2 as an output, so set doesn't contain duplicates. Now let's check about the different operations in set. First operation is union. As you can see here, union of the sets A and B denoted by A union B. This U sign is considered as the symbol for union. Is the set of distinct elements that belongs to both set A or set B or both. And this is called the Venn diagram, and this U here represented as universal set, and here is A set and B set, and it contains everything but not the duplicate. Let's check the result. Suppose here set A. Let's take another set, set B. Now here set union. Let's change the name. So here you can see the result. Our first set contain 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, and the second set contain 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. So in the resultant set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which means the duplicate ones are got eliminated by default. Now let's come to the next function, which is intersection. So the intersection of the sets A and B denoted by A intersection B, which is the symbol of intersection, is the set of elements that belong to both A and B, that is set of the common elements in A and B. Here you can see A intersection B is shaded, the outer one is universal set, and it will only represent the common elements of the both two sets. Let's check here. Let's do the same example. So the common elements here are 1 and 8. You can also check it from this sets, which is 1 and 8. Those are two common variables here. Now let's go to the next operation. Next operation is set difference. The difference between sets is denoted by A minus B, which is the set containing the elements that are in A but not in B. That is all elements of A except the elements of B. Here you can see the Venn diagram. Now let's implement it. So here it represent all the values, which is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, but it didn't present 1 and 8 because those are already available in set B. Hope you understand. Now the last operation. Symmetric difference. If there are a set A and set B, then the symmetric difference between them will be equal to the union of set A and set B without the intersection between the two. Let's check with an example. Let's check the output. So here you can see the output 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. The 1 and 8 is not presented here. If we take the union and then minus it from the then minus the intersection from it, you will get the same kind of result. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. So that's all for today's session. Hope you liked this video and please like, share and subscribe.